Hi guys, welcome to our new video of support and resistance levels for Nifty. This is for Monday, March 28th. The blue lines here are support levels, the projections of support levels, and the red lines are resistance projections. As you can see, Nifty, by the way, this is the hourly chart. In the hourly chart, Nifty has broken our first support level. It has tested the second and has bounced all the way to a second resistance level, rejecting at 250, 17,250. As you'll notice, this chart does not really have any gaps except for early in the morning. Since this is a combined chart of futures and spot prices, I prefer this to do my analysis because it gives me a continuous pricing picture. It helps me project my support and resistance levels and make sure they are correct. That being said, let's look at our support levels for Monday. Our first support is at 17,180, below which it is 17,110. The third one is at 17,050. If 17,050 breaks, we can expect Nifty to go all the way down to 16,880. Okay, guys. In the event Nifty rallies on Monday, I would hold off till the 280, 17,280 level to get into a long trade. Once Nifty closes above that in the hourly, that support is confirmed. You can get into a long position all the way to 400. 70,400 would then be the target for Nifty. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you this Sunday evening. I'll see you Monday. Take care and good luck.